If you are looking for the best dishwashers for drying, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Bosch SHEM63W55N 24 inches 300 series built-in full console dishwasher. Bosch dishwashers are famous for their high-quality design. This particular model is very quiet at 44 decibels, with 5 wash cycles, and a full stainless steel interior. The product line comes from a lineage of the quietest dishwashers on the market. Features include a stainless steel tub for effective drying and better soundproofing, plus a higher durability rating. The 44 decibels noise level won't disturb you at all, while the 5 wash cycles and 4 options are powerful enough for all types of soiling. Number 2. LG LDF5545ST 24 inches front control dishwasher. The LG LDF5545ST dishwasher is one of the most touted out of LG's current lineup of appliances. It comes with several smart dishwasher features, one of which is the patented smart diagnosis system that helps troubleshoot a problem quickly and efficiently right over your phone. It takes a lot of the guessing games out, as it senses the amount of grime on your dishes and sets the best wash cycle for optimal cleaning. It also has a feature that lets you wash only items on the lower or upper rack to save on water and energy. Number 3. Bosch SHXM88Z75N 24 inches 800 series built-in dishwasher. At just 40 decibels, you'll barely hear the Bosch SHXM88Z75N dishwasher even when it's running at full capacity. This model includes several of Bosch's patented technologies, such as Info Light, Crystal Dry, My Way racks, and the Easy Glide rack system. It's rated at the Tier 1 energy efficiency class and it only consumes about 3.5 gallons of water for each cycle. Judging from all these specifications, features, and Bosch SHXM88Z75N reviews that this is one of the best Bosch dishwashers you can get right now. Number 4. Maytag MDB4949SHZ 50 decibels stainless built-in dishwasher. One of the best drying dishwashers from Maytag is the MDB4949SHZ built-in dishwasher. Apart from drying dishes well, it is also resilient against hard food remains due to its 4-bladed chopper. Users like its quiet operation of only 50 decibels, which is only slightly higher than the ambient sounds in a library. The Maytag MDB4949SHZ dishwasher reviews also mention that it's easy to install as long as you already have an installation kit from an older dishwasher and that the touch controls are easy to operate and intuitive. Number 5. GDT605PSMSS Dishwasher. The GDT605PSMSS dishwasher has dedicated silverware jets that specifically target utensils. The General Electric GDT605PSMSS also lets you wash just the upper or lower racks to conserve water and electricity when you don't need to clean a full load. It also features the patented Piranha hard food dispenser with a stainless steel blade rotating at 3,600 RPM to pulverize food particles and help prevent large particles from clogging the wash arms. Finally, another thing that we like about this excellent drying dishwasher is its bottle wash jet that cleans hard-to-reach places from glasses and other tall items. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.